Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Evoque 2.0 D200 Autobiography. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is shoeless compliant and is finished in Santorini black. To start off with, then you have your pixel LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 21-inch 5-split-spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing the Santorini black exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, allowing you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid, and once open you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which is ideal for small children's car seats. As we move to the front, you can find your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. Now, this vehicle features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 10,621 miles, however this is subject to change. You also have a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ideal for using Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. You of course also have your 4x4 information, terrain response, drive modes and wade sensing. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain, and pair this with the off-road feature on the camera for the ideal off-road day out. You also have a 360 view, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. The front seats in this car are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones. And this is paired with a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover Evoque 2.0 D200 Autobiography that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.